Why does your scanner show the P0475 engine code? What does it mean? P0475 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure control valve malfunction. This engine code indicates that this code is typically associated with diesel engines, where the valve plays a role in controlling exhaust back pressure, especially during cold starts, to improve engine warm-up and reduce emissions. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty exhaust pressure control valve, electrical issues, PCM malfunction, exhaust restrictions, sensor problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150, Mercedes-Benz S-Class, Volkswagen Golf R, Audi RS5, and Isuzu NPR HD. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.